Inside Current Affairs Quiz, May 4, 2021. Question number first. Consider the following statements regarding Suez Canal. First option is Suez Canal is a natural waterway in Egypt. Second is Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea to Red Sea. Answer is first option. Suez Canal is a natural waterway in Egypt. It is wrong. Second option is right, that Suez Canal connects to Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. It is right, second. So the option number second is right. Question number 2. Consider the following statements regarding the inflation targeting. First option, inflation targeting revolves around adjusting monetary policy to achieve a specified annual rate of inflation. So this is right. Second option is the principle of inflation targeting is based on belief that long-term economic growth is best achieved by maintaining price stability, and price stability is achieved by controlling inflation. So both are right. Third number question is Umangot River, Umangot River, considered as India's clearest river, is located in, options are Uttarakhand, Ladakh, Tripura, Meghalaya. So the right option is Meghalaya. Fourth number question is consider the following statements regarding Irrawaddy dolphins. Irrawaddy dolphin. Options are Irrawaddy dolphins are normally found in sea, coasts and in estuaries and rivers in Bay of Bengal and Southeast Asia. It is wrong. They are classified as endangered as per IUCN Red List. This is also wrong. So answer is neither one, neither two. 5 number question is consider the following statements regarding mangroves of Guneri and Shravan Kavadia. Options are the mangroves of Guneri and Shravan Kavadia are located in Indian part of the Sundarban region. This is wrong. Now the second option is they survive because of underground supply of brackish or saline water. This is right. So the option is 2 only. So let us see the quiz summary. So we got you have reached 5 out of 5, 100%. So let us see the explanation of these questions which we have solved in this time. First number question is consider the following statements regarding Suez Canal. Suez Canal is a natural waterway in Egypt. It is wrong. Suez Canal connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. It is right. Let us see the explanation of this. The Suez Canal is an artificial sea level waterway in Egypt connecting Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea through Isthmus of Suez. It offers vessels a direct route between the North Atlantic and North Indian Ocean. Second number question is consider the following statement regarding the inflation targeting. In this, both options are right, that inflation targeting revolves around adjusting monetary policy to achieve a specified annual rate of inflation. Second is the principle of inflation targeting is based on belief that long-term economic growth is best achieved by maintaining price stability, and price stability is achieved by controlling inflation. So both are right. Explanation of this is that what is inflation targeting? The inflation targeting is a central banking policy that revolves around adjusting monetary policy to achieve a specified annual rate of inflation. The principle of inflation targeting is based on the belief that long-term economic growth is best achieved by maintaining price stability, and price stability is achieved by controlling inflation. As a strategy, inflation targeting views the primary goal of central bank as maintaining price stability. Third number question is Umangot River. Umangot River, considered as India's clearest river, is located in Meghalaya. Meghalaya government has defended its plan to dam Umangot arguably India's clearest river, despite protest from more than a dozen villages downstream. Four number question is, consider the following statement regarding the Irrawaddy dolphin. In this, both options are wrong. So explanation is, Irrawaddy dolphin or Irrawaddy dolphin is a euryhaline species of oceanic dolphin found in discontinuous subpopulations near sea coasts and in estuaries and rivers in part of Bay of Bengal and Southeast Asia, although found in much of the riverine and marine zones of South and Southeast Asia. The concentrated lagoon populations are found in Chilka Lake in Odisha and Songkhla Lake in the southern Thailand. Irrawaddy dolphins in general are listed as endangered species. Five number question is, consider the following statement regarding the mangroves of the Guneri and Shravan Kavadia. In this, first number option is wrong. Second number option is right. Second number option is they survive because of underground supply of brackish or saline water. So let us see the explanation of this. Mangroves, by definition, are small shrubs or trees that grow in a saline or brackish water and are found in the coastal areas. The mangroves of Guneri and also of the Shravan Kavadia, both in Kutch, however, are completely landlocked and are therefore unique. They are in fact among the very few, maybe 3-4 of their kind recorded in the world. The others are in Brazil, Peru, and South America. The Arabian Sea receded by 100 to 450 km from coastline, resulting in the inland mangroves of the Guneri and Shravan Kavadia, which survived because of continued supply of brackish or saline water underground. Experts therefore believe that these mangroves belong to ancient biogenetic pools. The good underground supply of brackish water, which helps in disposal of seeds and propagation. So here ends.